God does not just want to be first, he wants to be all. Think about going back to the verse in Romans 12, a living sacrifice. You can't halfway sacrifice yourself. You gotta go all in. You have to go all the way in, and that's what God wants. He wants you to be fully surrendered. That's what consecration is: being fully devoted to God, being fully surrendered to God, being fully devoted to God. And we understand, because we have flesh just like you have flesh.
Facts.
We have desires just like you have desires. We have wants just like you have wants, and we have to crucify them daily. We have to consecrate. We have to fast. We have to worship. We have to get in the presence of God, so that we can be found to become unrecognizable, to where we look like God and we want what God wants from us.